3 simple ways to improve your health. Come on, you know you want to do it. You don't want to sit around and be not healthy, do you? Let's go. Hi vibes everybody, welcome to this channel, Aurora Divine. I have finally changed the name if you haven't realized or noticed by now. I welcome you to this channel. If you're not subscribed and you're new here, hello. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can keep updated with my weekly videos. Today we're going to talk about 3 simple ways you can improve your health, and it's really simple. So when you wake up in the morning, the first thing you do is take a breath, right? Simplest thing you can do is take a breath. You don't even think about it. Things that stress us out in our daily activities and our daily lives can affect the way that we breathe. Before you say, oh, this is so boring, I don't want to learn about breathing, you might want to sit and just listen a little longer, because you might benefit from actually listening to your body and doing these 3 simple breath techniques that you can do any time of the day when it's needed. It's like a prescription for a time in your day that you need a certain breath. So I'm gonna make this video pretty quick. Short and simple, sweet and short. Keep it as normal as possible. Breathing in and breathing out. We do automatically, we don't even have to think about it. Now that really blows my mind. Like, you don't even have to think about breathing, and you're breathing without knowing you're breathing or thinking about it. Your parasympathetic nervous system is when your body is in the rest and digest place. That's where you're mostly calm, you're chilling, you don't have to worry about anything, you're not thinking about your bills, you're not thinking about your boyfriend, you're not thinking about your girlfriend, you're not thinking about like all the problems that you have from these people or anything. You're just really relaxed and you're in that chill mood. It reminds me of like just coasting down the lazy river. The parasympathetic nervous system is just that. Your sympathetic nervous system is when you are freaking out and you're running away. You're running from your problems in your head. Your heart is racing. Your palms are sweaty. You feel like you need to run away, but you don't know what you're running away from because it's like something that you can't really run away from. And you might end up having anxiety and more stress. You have more cortisol, like build up in the body, that hormone that releases stress into the body. And the purpose of that, really, I mean, I'm sure you've heard, is to get you to get away from danger. But in our daily lives, we have stress over things that, like, I mean, you could just be sitting there and something stresses you out, something triggers you, and that makes you start having that stress response. These breath techniques can really help when you're going through these things. Now, the first one is the step 4 breath. I named it that because you're only breathing in for the count of 4 and then you're breathing out for the count of 4. Now when you do this, you breathe in through the nose and you count 1, 2, 3, 4, pause at the top, exhale, 4, 3, 2, 1, and repeat. Do this several times, and this is going to help with all that stress that you're going through. No, don't do that. And when you do this breath, it's really gonna help with that stress hormone and keep it on the DL. When you're conscious of this breath, you wanna breathe into the belly. When you're breathing in, all the way to the top, and then exhale, breathing everything out. What are you doing? Don't you? No, you can't have this. So use that breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, the step 4 breath. Breathing in peace, breathing in harmony, breathing in calm. Exhale, breathing out what no longer serves you, what no longer makes you feel good. You're just gonna get rid of it. The second breath is called, what I like to call, is the nightcap breath. So this breath is when you want to go to sleep, but your mind is racing and you've had a lot of energy during the day, but you just can't shut it down. This breath is breathing in for the count of 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, breathe in, pausing at the top, exhale through the nose from the count of 8 down to 1. Breathing in for 1, 2, 3, 4, pause at the top, exhale, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is the nightcap breath. The reason for the extended exhales is because when you extend that exhale, it puts you into a little bit of a slumber. So if you're wanting to get a better night's rest, you can do this breath pretty much before you go to sleep or around that time. Just find a comfortable place to lay down on your back and then breathe in for 4, exhale for 8. Little nightcap for the night. The third breath. Now this one is to bring in energy. So if you're feeling like you're slumping and you have no energy, you've got nothing to look forward to, you're not motivated, this is a great breath to do in the morning. It's a great breath to do if you're just feeling like you need that extra boost of energy. So this is called, I haven't named this one yet. Let me think of a name for it. The Red Bull breath. This one's gonna give you energy. It's like having caffeine. So the way you do this one, it's very interesting. And maybe you've done this before. If you've gone to yoga, I'm sure you've done this one. So you breathe in, you breathe out, then you just keep breathing out. I'm not even taking an in breath. Literally, you're pumping the belly. You're just like breathe out through your nose. Like your snot rocket. Like you're trying to get rid of the breath through the nose. You're just pumping the stomach. And when you do this breath, it brings in energy. Now, I recommend that when you do this breath, you want to sit cross-legged and have your spine long, have your head pointing toward the ceiling, and close the eyes. And then just pump the breath. Do this for a set of 3, okay? So you'll do 10 breaths, rest, then do another 10 breaths, rest, and then do another 10 breaths. So you've done 30, what did I call them? Oh, you did 30 Red Bull breaths, and that's gonna give you an extra pick-me-up. Plenty of energy to go without putting synthetic things into your body. Of course, if you have any health issues, if you have any heart problems, you have dizziness, you have anything like that, I recommend talking to your doctor before you attempt any of these awesome techniques. Now, the breath is something that's going to give you longevity. It will literally keep you younger. It will keep you stronger, and it will keep you calm. Anything you go through in your life, if you're responding to it and you're not reacting to it in some crazy way, is because of the breath. I know that sounds crazy, but when you have control over the breath, you can literally almost handle anything because you have control over your nervous system. Now, this isn't the cure for everything. I know that some people need other things to go along with it, but trust me, this is going to help lengthen and strengthen your health and build up a stronger mind and a stronger immune system. So why not do it? Start breathing today, focus on the breath. I hope I didn't take too long to give you all this info. Again, if you like this video, please make sure to like it and subscribe and hit that notification button. And what else you gotta do? Share it, yeah. Show some friends, share it with your friends. Follow me on Instagram at Aurora Divine Light. You can leave me a message there. If you have any questions about the videos and any other questions or recommendations of videos that you would like to hear, or my dog's trying to get out the door right now. So I think that means it's time to go. So thank you so much. We will see you on the next video. Peace.